Record ayindi. Red light padindi. Hello. This is Killa entrance of the steps. Now GS Mahesh, Partha, and TV Prasad, and Jagadish, the character of GS, this camera owner. Okay. Come on, one by one. La 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 la. అవతల నుంచి ఎంట్రన్స్ ఉంది కిల్లాలేక చూడాలి సార్ సుమ్మే బోల్రా ఫాస్ట్ ఫాస్ట్ లే ఎక్కువ బాగా తీస్తాను అక్కడ మంటకం ఉంది అది ఫాస్ట్ పడతా ముగ్గురు వీరులు వస్తున్న దృశ్యం క్యారెక్టర్ క్యారిటేరియన్ జిఎస్ and TV. This is Killa main hall. I don't know that man. This was goats. Yamantaru? Yamajallu. This is front of Killa fort. And Caritarian J.S. Mahesh testing the granite stone. This is one gorilla. This is a security. And madhula entrance itale. And this is Killa main fort. Underground la. The Caritarian Mahesh will come. Okay. This is inside of Killa fort. And this is the resting place of the St. Dikshiru. Sri Krishna Devaraya resting place. And this is the east side window of Killa fort. This side kodiga. Seat of. Mundar bodu. And this is outside of east side of Penukonda. Upon the Killa fort. This is useful for seeing the enemy troops that are coming for the. That is called stage which the Sainikulu are sitting in this also. And there is one lake which is useful for drinking water. And there is also one resting room for the soldiers. And this is an undestroyable monuments of Sri Krishna Devaraya. Okay, now this is GS Mahesh.